Okay, welcome. Good morning. My name is Mrs. Renner Cruz. I am so happy to be here. I hope you are just as excited as I am, because I'm excited to be here, okay? Today we're going to talk about, let me rewind. In our classes, in your class, in your teacher's class, y'all talked about a contract, right? Shake your head, okay? It talks about being respectful, being kind, and staying focused, right? Okay? Those rules, that contract that you have with your teacher in your class also applies to here, okay? This is not free run around the library. We're going to use our walking feet, and whenever an adult is talking, it is a voice level 0, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Ask it. Oh, 0. Okay. Thought you were right. Do you have a question?
Being kind is kind of hard for me.
Okay. All right. Well, that's something that we can all work on together. Okay. So my expectation is y'all will listen and enjoy the PowerPoint. I do have a little video at the very end. I enjoyed it, and I think y'all will enjoy it too. And then, of course, we will also read the book. This is the book that we are talking about today, Volcanoes.
You want to see the next snake book?
The volcanoes. Can anybody tell me a few things off the top of your head that you know about volcanoes? I think you're the first hand I saw. Go.
They do erosion.
Yep. I think your hand was next. Go ahead.
Lava kill people.
Yes. Lava can hurt somebody. And last one. I'm gonna choose you. I think I saw your hand next.
Whenever it gets hot, it erupts.
Yes. Yep. It's too hot. It erupts. Okay. Last one, and then we'll continue.
They can be in the water.
Yes. Very good. Very good. Very good. Yes.
They were around dinosaurs.
Yep. It is very, okay, attention up here. It is very important to talk about volcanoes, but also it is very important to understand the difference between nonfiction and fiction, okay? Do you think this is a nonfiction book or a fiction book? Nonfiction, fiction.
Realistic.
Okay. Raise your hand if you think this is a non-fiction book. 1, 2, 3. Okay. You are correct. Okay. Why do you think this is a non-fiction book? I think I saw your hand first.
Volcanoes are actually real.
Volcanoes are real. Yes. Keep going. I think I saw your hand second.
Because it's look like realistic.
Because it's real. Go. Last one.
It can be it's in another country.
It is another country, but volcanoes can also be here in our America.
And underneath the water. You might want to see
Yes.
that from them.
Okay. Yes. All things correct. Now, I just want to encourage students, all students, even adults, to read nonfiction and fiction books. It is very important to read for pleasure, to read for knowledge, all of it. It's just important to read a variety of things, okay? So we talked about some things that we checked your knowledge before we went over the PowerPoint. We're gonna go over the PowerPoint next. You have a question?
What's your name?
Mrs. Renner Cruz. Thank you for asking. What's your name? Huh? Jensen. Nice. Very nice name. Okay, so volcanoes. Yes, let's go ahead and get started on our PowerPoint. Okay. While we are looking at the PowerPoint, okay, my expectation is that we are at a voice level 0. We are eyes on the Promethean board. If you have a question, raise your hand. And I want y'all to look and watch and be engaged. If you have questions, raise your hand. All the good things. Okay? This is the author. Okay. And we talked about fiction and nonfiction. It is important to read nonfiction and fiction books, a variety of books. Can you tell me some differences based on the Promethean board? Can you tell me some differences in fiction and nonfiction? Go.
Fiction is real. Fiction is not real. Nonfiction is
Excellent, excellent, excellent. Okay? Fiction is made up, nonfiction is real. Facts, proven facts. And that's what this book is. Proven facts, nonfiction. It's not fake, it's not made up. Fiction is fake and made up. Okay, these are some other books also written by Nell Cross Beckerman. Can y'all see this red name right here? That's our author. Okay. Road map check. Make sure you are in your circle. Road map check. Get your arms and legs inside that circle dot. Okay? These are volcanoes are all over the earth in the Pacific Ocean. The round area of the volcanoes is called the Ring of Fire. Very good. Ring of Fire. Why do you think it? Raise your hand if you can tell me, why do you think this is called the Ring of Fire? Go.
Because a bunch of volcanoes are built around and they make a molten, which is actually kind of like fire.
Yes. Very good. Very good.
Wait.
Very
that's
good.
a lot of volcanoes.
Because there are a ton of volcanoes around this ring, Ring of Fire, and it's just activity all the time. Volcanoes, lava, above water, below water. Okay, very good. And this is underwater in the ocean, new islands are formed. So volcanoes help shape our earth. Okay, volcanoes help shape our earth. That is very important. Okay.
In Jupiter,
And did y'all know there are volcanoes in space? Okay,
No,
different.
that's like Mars. Mars has the biggest
Okay.
volcano ever.
Now, let's read the story. Now, at the end of my reading, I will show a quick video, but we have to earn that really cool video.
Sam, real quick.
Okay? So, my expectations before we start reading.
I'm not doing anything.
Hang on.
Yes, you are.
Hang on. Can you please sit, sir? Sit in your circle. Keep your arms and your legs in your circle. Road map check. Everybody sit in your circle.
It's right there. No, it's taking it.
Okay? Now, as I am reading, I want y'all to have your ears open, listening to the story, listening to the interesting facts about volcanoes. Number 2, mouths are shut. Number 3, eyes are on the book. Ears are open, mouth is shut, eyes are on the book, watching and looking at the illustrations, because you might learn something from the illustrations too. Okay? Also, we are in movie theater mode. Silent, no talking. Can y'all give me an O? Can you give me an L? Can you give me a C?
Wait. That's a backwards C.
Can you give me an A?
That's not a C.
Can you give me an N? I don't know how to do an N with your body. Make it up. An N.
It's like this.
I did it in.
Can you give me an O?
Another O?
Can you give me an E?
You already beat.
E.
Right.
Can you give me an S? An S?
Wait.
What does that spell?
Volcano.
Very good. Volcanoes. Yes.
Okay, wait. Yeah, that was.
Let's do.
Let's
do
do
jumping.
Okay. If you have questions, please hang on to it. Okay. Let's read the book. Now, my expectation is that you're voice level 0. Okay. If you have a question, wait till the end. And remember, you have to earn that video depending on your behavior. Then we get to watch that cool video. Okay, I haven't gotten there
I
yet.
bet it ain't gonna.
Okay, Volcanoes by Nell Cross Beckerman. Plates shifts, land tilts, gas escapes. What is coming?
Lava.
Shh. A rumble, a tremble, a grumble.
Go on.
Guys, have a seat.
Why is it broken?
You go like somewhere else. Like
Yo,
They-
going.
a girl
Get
can't go to
pulled
basement
for a
wall.
class.
Who's
Gotcha.
he?
Okay, y'all, have a seat, have a seat. All eyes up here. I need your attention, please, up here. I need your attention, please.
Who's he?
Have a seat. Hold your questions till the end. A rumble, a tremble, a grumble. Growing, growling, getting hot. When will it
Pop!
pop? A volcano is a vent in the crust of Earth that releases lava, steam, ash, and rocks. While volcanoes exist all over the world, most are dormant or extinct, meaning they are not actively erupting or very likely will never erupt again. But there are plenty of active ones. At least 20 volcanoes could be erupting right this very second. Oozing like thick, hot honey, glowing taffy, surface cooling to hard black, white, red flows underneath. Don't step in the crack.
Or else you'll get burned and die.
Okay, the voice level, my expectation is voice level 0, okay? Wait to hold your question to the very end. Glowing red hot lava can reach more than 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. That is very hot. Lava leaves volcanoes in different ways. Gently flowing lava is called by the Hawaiian name Pahoe Pahoe. Other eruptions are more explosive, ejecting large chunks of lava called bombs. Collecting sweltering samples. Hiking in shoe melting temperatures, risking it all to learn more.
Fire.
Superheroes? Scientists.
No.
Scientists, hang on. Here you go. You asked about scientists who study volcanoes. Scientists who study volcanoes are called volcanologists. Very good. They try to predict when volcanoes might erupt by measuring tiny earthquakes and subtle changes in the volcano's shape. To protect themselves near lava, they wear special suits and boots to keep out the incredible heat. Safety is key. Okay, make sure you are sitting in your circle spot. Road map check, sit in your hands and legs in your circle. Fountains of fire and rivers of lava erupt and interrupt life. Forming islands, creating craters, ever changing. Our planet is dynamic. When lava cools, it becomes hard rock. Over time, multiple eruptions form new areas of land. For volcanoes in the middle of the ocean, this land creates an island. Millions of years ago, a string of volcanoes began erupting in the Pacific Ocean, forming what we now call the Hawaiian Islands. Y'all know of the islands,
Like
the
in Moana.
Hawaiian Islands. Volcanoes helped shape those islands.
Like in Moana.
One island discovered overnight with a deafening detonation, bursting a bevy of eardrums, but it wasn't the ash, gas, lava, or burning rock rain that wiped everyone out. The real danger was tsunamis.
Oh my god.
Okay. Remember, mouth closed, eyes on the pages, ears are listening. Shh. Voice level 0, sir. On August 1883, the volcanic eruption of Krakatoa in Indonesia created the loudest sound in recorded human history. The sound wave created by the explosion circled the whole world multiple times. These tsunamis wiped out surrounding populations. One wave brought the population of Merrick, a nearby port town, from 2,700 to 2. In total, 36,000 people died from the tsunamis created by Krakatoa eruption. Plates bumping, bubbling, and burning at the edges. 452 spots of hot arcing through the ocean. Can you see it? The ring of fire. Remember we talked about the ring of fire? This is what
I think I like that TV.
Bring that to the office.
Remember we talked about the ring of fire? Okay. This is it. The rocky outer layer of Earth is made up of huge pieces that fit together like gigantic jigsaw puzzle. We call these pieces tectonic plates. And they slowly move over the surface of Earth. One of these plates, the Pacific plate, is surrounded by most of the world's active volcano and is called the Ring of Fire.
The ring of
Shh. Keep your hands and feet and legs to yourself. Everybody right now, sit in your circle. Butts in your circle. Get to your circle.
Hey, yo.
Shh. Scientist.
You were over there.
Sir, voice level 0. Eyes are on the pages. Ears are open and listening. Mouth is closed. Scientists thought they knew why hotter water came from the black, cold bottom of the ocean. But they didn't know they would find a whole new world. While volcanoes can be destructive, mid-ocean ridge volcanoes rising from the ocean floor bring life. After recording unexpected areas of warm water temperatures in the ocean, scientists use the deep sea submersive Alvin to find answers. What a surprise to learn that this allowed a whole community of life to exist in the deep, darkest depths of the ocean, completely without sunlight. Now some scientists think life itself may have started around underwater volcanoes. Uncorked from the ocean floor, an avalanche of ash, a plume of doom, a cinder shot put seen from space. In January 2022, which was not that long ago, that's only about 4 years ago, January 2022, the Hunga Tonga Hunga Ha'apai underwater volcano in the Tonga Islands exploded with such force that the ash cloud stretched 36 miles.
Oh, that was
It was the biggest volcanic eruption in more than 30 years since the 1991 explosion of Mount Pinatubo in the Philippines. The explosion was bigger than that of an atomic bomb. Look up. What? Shh. Look up. What do you see?
a light
Night.
star.
My expectation. Ears are open. Eyes are on the illustrations. Mouth is shut. Look up. What do you see? Night sky filled with stars, meteors, the moon, planets, and extraterrestrial volcanoes. The largest known volcano is Olympus Mons, or Mars, on Mars. At 374 miles wide and 16 miles high, it is 100 times larger in volume than Earth's largest active volcano. Not all of them erupt lava. In fact, the volcanoes on Saturn's moons, Enceladus, are cryptovolcanoes that shoot ice particles, which is water vapor, and other materials into space. Volcanoes everywhere, space, land, ocean. Do these megaphones of magma hold the answers to our biggest questions? How was Earth created? How are planets formed? How does life start? What is coming? Maybe you will find out. Now, at the very end, it talks about the author, kind of author's notes, maybe why the author wrote the book or researching the book, okay? The illustrations, from the illustrator. And then future reading if you want to know more about tectonic plates, underwater volcanoes, above water volcanoes. They talked about volcanoes on other planets. These are just further reading to further your knowledge. Different types of volcanoes. This is just more information. So all of these things that I'm talking to you about right now at the end of the book, these are in the nonfiction books. This author's note, illustrator's note, extra information, bibliography, those 4 things are in nonfiction books. So that's another way to tell the difference between fiction and nonfiction. These are facts proven by science and research, and they are true. Yes, you have a question?
The short version for extraterrestrial volcanoes is E.T. volcanoes.
Oh, okay. Thank you for sharing.
Did you ever know the Ring of Fire is actually kind of like a Bermuda Triangle?
I did not know that. Okay, now, do you think you have earned that video at the end of our reading?
No.
Not really.
Yes.
Maybe?
No,
Maybe.
because all the talking, I don't think we have deserved it.
Okay,
Maybe.
I know a way that you can earn it. Everybody up. We're gonna spell what?
Volcano!
Give me a B. Give me an O. O. Give me an L. An L. I don't know. L. C. Give me an A. A. Give me an N. I don't know how to do an N.
Here, I'll do it like
I want to do it this way.
Give me an O. O. Give me an E. Give me an S. 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 Okay, have a seat. Sit in your circle. Okay, now that we have spelled volcanoes,
we earned it.
you have earned it. Okay? Now, as we are watching this video,
We're in coffee mode.
you are in theater mode.
Again.
All eyes are on the screen. I need your attention, please, up here. All eyes on me. Voice level 0. Eyes are on the Promethean board. Ears are opening and listening, and brains are on and learning.
We're watching the
Mouth is closed. If you have a question, please wait till the end. I am happy to answer any question. Just please wait till the end. That way you're not disrupting other students, okay?
Kilauea volcano on the big island of Hawaii has erupted.
Right now?
This latest blast shot lava as high as 100 feet in the air and created heated lava flows for miles. It was one of the most powerful eruptions in the past 30 years of activity. Lava poured from the volcano for 5 days straight, forcing officials to close down part of the national park and nearby campground. Kilauea is one of the world's most active volcanoes. Eruptions like this force fiery liquid rock called magma onto the Earth's surface. Once this magma spills out of the volcano, it's called lava. Red-hot lava makes its way down the volcano and eventually cools to form solid rock called igneous rock. Experts believe that this eruption was caused by the collapse of a nearby crater. or bowl-shaped opening at the top of the volcano. Scientists will continue to watch Kilauea and monitor the situation, as they are not sure if the volcano will erupt again.
Okay, we've been talking about volcanoes, okay, for 30 minutes, whatever, 15, 20 minutes, okay? Raise your hand and tell me something new that you have learned about volcanoes that you did not know before today. I was talking about volcanoes. Go.
I have a fun fact.
Tell me your fun fact. I would love to learn.
Did you know that most of the volcanoes have a second hole to erupt?
I did not know that. That's pretty cool. I might have to research that. That's cool. Tell me something that you learned today.
I learned about scientists testing lava.
Are they called superheroes
No.
or scientists?
Scientists.
No, they're not called scientists. They're called volcanologists.
Yes, volcanologists are scientists. Yes.
They give you a big
Can you go see Miss Serena? Maybe she has a Band-Aid for you. Anybody else? Can you tell me something else that you learned today? Go.
I learned. Did you know that most of all rocks are made by volcanoes?
Yes. Do you know what? I don't know if I put that connection together. Thank you for making that clear to me. Thank you.
There was a big mountain with lava in it.
Yep, a big mountain. Like what shape is a volcano?
Triangle.
Triangle, pyramid.
Come.
Is every volcano that way?
No.
Nope, not every one.
Come.
You can't even see a volcano because it looks just like a mountain. Actually,
Sometimes, yes.
it's actually.
So I'm gonna ask, what did you like best about the story? Raise your hand. Don't just blurt out. Raise your hand. What did you like best? Go.
I like the volcanoes because they erupted.
You like? Yeah, that's pretty cool. I think I saw your hand next. Go.
I like that volcanoes have lava and I learned how lava was made with volcanoes.
That's awesome. Yes, good.
That I never knew that molten could actually turn into igneous rock.
Yes, very good. Way to put that connection together. Go, Jensen.
I love about the stars and stuff.
Yeah, yes, me too. Go.
Magma. You can't even stand on it or it'll burn you.
It will hurt. Yes, I agree. Okay. What did you? Hey, I need your attention up here. What did you notice about the illustrations of the books?
It looked like fiction.
It looked like fiction.
It was kind of fiction.
I think I saw your hand next. Go. What did you notice about the illustrations? The what? The words were kind of funky. Yeah, they were kind of placed at different spots. Yes. Go. Yes, yes, and many different planets, yes. Yes, okay. So, I just wanted to let you know that if you want to continue to read books about volcanoes, you can. Let's say here in this library, there's not that book that you want to read about volcanoes. Let's say another library has that book. Okay, so all eyes are up here, voice level 0, sir. All eyes up here. I need your attention. Okay? It's called an interlibrary loan. If you want to borrow a book from, say, another elementary school, Taylor, you can. Let's say they have, hang on. Let's say they have a book that you want to read and this library doesn't have it, you can certainly borrow a book from that elementary school, okay? It's called an interlibrary loan. Talk to your librarian about that, okay? So for our activity for today is after I release you, you're gonna go to your seat. I'm gonna put a stack of books on your table It is your job to separate the books into fiction, a stack of fiction, and a stack of nonfiction, okay? And I will be walking around each table. Once you have completed correctly, hang on, if you have a question, you raise your hand, right? Once you have completed the 2 different stacks correctly, then I will give you an opportunity to return books, check out books. Once you are done returning and checking out books, come back to your table and I will explain our next little fun activity. It involves building a volcano and having an earthquake and seeing what it takes for that volcano to explode or tumble down, okay? So, step 1 is to go to your, after I release you, go to your assigned table to differentiate books between nonfiction and fiction. After you do that correctly, then what do we do after that?
You build a volcano. You raise your
I will come and check.
And then we'll
I will come.
look and see if they're correct, and then if they're correct, we'll let us go get books.
Let you go get books after it's done correctly. And then after you're done checking out books, I've got another fun little assignment. Okay, do you have any questions? I know you had your hand raised.
We get those stuff, and we need to organize them.
Yeah, I have the books over here in a different spot. Okay, any other questions? Great question. Go.
I thought we were doing writing. We do that every time we come here. No, we don't. Not every time.
Oh, okay. While we are working on this activity, voice level is coffee shop mode. You can whisper and talk to your group, but we're not gonna be loud or anything like that. I don't want to hear your conversation from across the room, okay? You're quiet and talking it over with your group members, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Get to your tables, your assigned tables. Go.
No, I'm definitely not saying they sing.
You know your assigned table.
We can have them together. But I like.
Get to your assigned table. That was step 1.
Wait, I bet this one has wait, not reading. It's all so I see. Aiden just hit me. I think that's fiction. He's not fiction.
Guys, we keep our hands to ourselves. We don't treat others like that, okay? Okay, y'all work together. Okay, differentiate the different books into 2 separates.
They're all real.
8 books. 2 different stacks. 2 different stacks.
Yeah, and fiction.
How do you know that?
I know that animals are real and dinosaurs are real too. And obviously you see dogs in real life, and boats are built by humans. And this just looks it's too cartoonish.
Too cartoonish?
Wait, let me look at it. Still toilet paper. What? That's crazy.
Thank you. I forgot about that. Okay, talk to me about these books.
So some planes are made at a museum because some people used to fly planes like these ones,
Very good.
and they had to fly to save people in case there's in danger.
Make good choices.
And then there's this little like hole thing to pump the tire
I
up or
watched.
something.
Yep, you are correct. Very good. Okay. Yes. Tell me about these books.
So we know that the dog said this. Hello, my name is King. I am a dog. This is Kayla. She's my human. And they cannot talk.
Dogs cannot speak. As much as we would love to chat with our dogs can't speak. Okay, I'm going to tell you a few tricks to know the difference between nonfiction and fiction. Okay, nonfiction has the numbers on the spine. Can y'all see the numbers? Can y'all see these numbers? Can you see them? Okay. These do not have the numbers on the spine. Do y'all see F? Do y'all see the F at the very top? F means what? Fiction. Very good. Also, the nonfiction books,
Checking out books.
they have the glossary, more information if you want to read more about monkeys. There's more information that you can find at these books, and then internet sites, more resources. Okay?
Might be real.
Yes, what I'm saying is nonfiction books have these resources and features at the end versus fiction books. Do they have those features at the end? Nope, all it says is the end. Okay? Yes. We got 10 minutes, right? Okay. Y'all go check out. Good job. Y'all go check out. Good job. Y'all are good to go. You got it correct.
I know what the little trick is.
Okay, tell me. Were you listening in on my conversation? That's okay. You tell me.
This is so. When you look over here, it's an F. That means fiction.
Very good. Very good.
And when they don't have any S, that means it's nonfiction.
Very good. Okay, now I'm also, what is at the back of nonfiction books? I'll go ahead and tell you. At the end of nonfiction books, there is a glossary. What's a glossary? Can you tell me? Like vocabulary. Like this is the word animal shelter and then the definition right here. Read more. This is more information if you want to read more about cats. These will help tell you more information about cats. And then what does this say right here? Internet sites. So if you want to go research more facts about cats, you can find it here too. Okay? So this is more books to find. These are more websites, more resources. Okay? These are in what? These little features are in what type of? No. What type of books have this information at the end? What type of books? Is this fiction? Is this fake? Or is this true?
True.
This is true. So nonfiction. There you go. Nonfiction books have those features. Fiction books do not have those features. Yes. Okay. Go ahead and check out. I think we've got 8 minutes till your bell rings. I don't know if there's time. Okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to take these building blocks.
And build a volcano out of it.
Yes, you're going to build, one volcano. Y'all can both work on the volcano together.
I'm gonna make my
Take
ring.
these little blocks and you're going to build the volcano like a pyramid. And then who is the earthquake? You are the earthquake. You're going to wiggle the table and try and knock down that volcano. Okay? Are y'all build together? Y'all don't want to build your volcano together? All right. Okay.
I'm building a rainbow volcano.
Wait, hang on. You're going to build your own volcano. And then to act as the earthquake, you're going to shake the table like an earthquake and try and tumble that volcano. Okay? Repeat it back to me. What are you doing? What are you building? Number 1.
Building a volcano and
Okay.
shaking the table.
What does the shake mean?
To
so I can activate it.
Activate it, but what is the shake? What am I kind of mimicking?
Should I use green to make it look like it's on the island?
An earthquake.
An earthquake.
Yes. Okay. Build a volcano. You can choose to use this or not. That's up to you. Use these little building blocks, whatever, like a pyramid. Build a volcano, and then shake the table in place of an earthquake. Okay.
Well, yes, there is. I'm almost done with mine.
All right.
1, 2, and one more.
You're building the volcano.
I'm all done with my volcano. I'm all done with my volcano.
Can you stack them up instead of placing them in there? Make it stand up. Build it taller. Yeah, like he's doing. Make it taller.
I just grab a handful.
You ready to build a volcano? Where are your teammates?
We won't even be able to build this because we're building
Instead of building it like that, stack it up height-wise. Because is it going to shake from that direction? Make it be three-dimensional.
This is gonna be hard.
What you doing?
Nothing.
Hey, that's mine. These are mine. I found 2 sandwiches.
Well, we're building. Let me see. We're building volcanoes. We're building volcanoes.
Jinx, you want me to coconut?
And me and Mark are the only ones doing it right now. And it's we can't.
There's no other. No, give me a lot of blood.
Are you trying
Okay. We are running out of time. Make your final selections, checking out a book, and then come over here to this table. I think they're. Watch out for the. Don't move the table. Everybody else, come watch. Our wait. Yeah, keep putting. Don't touch the table. Don't touch the table. Don't touch the cable. Don't touch the cable. Don't touch the table. Okay. Now what we're gonna do. Okay, nobody touch the table. Take a step back. I don't want anybody touching the table. Okay, tell me your name.
Junior?
Junior is going to wiggle the table to try and mimic an earthquake, and we're going to see what happens to his volcano. Okay? Everybody watch. Everybody watch. Woo! Our volcano exploded. There goes our volcano. Okay, over here. Y'all come here.
I was gonna make.
Voice level, want to say something real quick. We are running out of time. Come here. Everybody come here. Come here. Eyes on me. Yes, right here. Listen to me. Come here. Come here. I want to say it is so important to make sure we are reading a variety of books of nonfiction and fiction. Okay, can anybody tell me real quick the difference between fiction and nonfiction? Go, Junior.
There's letters on the spine. And
Yep.
On non-fiction, there's numbers.
You got it, Junior. Good job. Hey, y'all did a wonderful job today. Thank you for letting me teach y'all about volcanoes. If y'all can please do me a favor, put all the building blocks back in these tubs, okay? The next class is coming. The next class is coming.